On one summer day, on the shores of the city of Gold Coast, after a long and not so easy pregnancy, the very first vet courses for marine habitat conservation and restoration were born. Like any proud parents, we have high hopes and expectations for it to grow, be successful, and make a real difference on the world. In their first year, the courses open their students' eyes to the magic and secrets of the underwater world, its habitats, and also to its stresses. Exploring their Gold Coast home backyard, they monitored sand dunes, mangroves, rocky shores, and corals. They learned how to dive, developed skills in identifying microplastics, built their own quadrants for monitoring and data collection, practiced clam seeding, and learnt photography to enable them to gather and document evidence. Additionally, presentation and delivery skills enabled them to increase the awareness of the community, and so much more. The marine courses are now taking their first steps in the unexplored world of marine work placement. A huge number of passionate and trained marine students from all over Australia and the world are fired up and ready to join projects of marine restoration and conservation. The students hope to find the opportunities in their Gold Coast home so they can grow here, make a difference, make the marine courses birth city proud. Pride in the city of Gold Coast who have embraced the innovation. Most importantly, we want City of Gold Coast to be the leaders of this amazing course, of these amazing marine projects and endless opportunities. Leaders who Australia and the entire world look up to. Leaders who attract people to the Gold Coast for these unique educational opportunities and experiences. It takes a family to raise children. It takes a city to nurture them and give them growth through opportunities.